the biggest worry, one, is having a provider that really cares about your child's needs. Something that always stuck with me, especially as a pediatric provider, is that you have two patients, not just the child, but the parent as well. So I find it really important to appease any anxiety that the parent may have along with the child, because I know that by making both of them comfortable, it makes a better overall experience for everyone. So my name is Ashlee Kato. I am a pediatric dentist and owner of Suite Tooth Pediatrics. I'm originally from Buffalo, New York, so I'm a native of upstate New York. Love the DMV. I've been in this area for over 15 years. I received my bachelor's degree from Howard University and attended University of Maryland in Baltimore for dental school. After dental school, I returned to Howard University to pursue my postdoctoral residency in pediatric dentistry. So that was awesome, and I just decided to stay in the area. I love the diversity of the area. I have a lot of family from here, so it was awesome to stay and give back to a community that I love. So Suite Tooth Pediatrics is a comprehensive pediatric stop for you and your little ones. We treat children as early as 1 year old, even before if they have teeth, all the way up to 18 years old when they're getting ready to go to college. And again, we're comprehensive, so as soon as you have teeth, we're showing you tips and tricks on how to keep those teeth nice and healthy and clean. And if cavities do arise or sugar bugs do arise, we're here to help you with that also. I always knew whatever I wanted to do career-wise, it would involve children. For me, dentistry can be really scary, right? For anybody, even for adults. The cool thing for me about working with children was that you can kind of shape the experience from an early age on how they'll look at their oral health care for life. So I always thought if we can make this a positive experience from day one when they come in, if they can be excited about the dentist, that's something that will carry them throughout life so that they just establish those good routines even into adulthood. So I think a lot of times when people think about kids at the dentist, they think of a lot of tears and screaming and crying, but it can really be fun. And what means a lot to me is when I see how proud parents are of their little ones. I'm almost surprised at how well they did. So I want to make sure that parents know that it can be a fun experience. It is our job to kind of keep them calm and keep the visit as positive as possible. Our goal is to make sure that parents know that there's nothing to worry about per se. Obviously, it's not always fun, but we do our best to make it as quick and as enjoyable as possible. So from the moment they walk in, you're greeted with a smile, right? We're very happy to see you, happy you made it to us. They're greeted by our front desk, our admin. We typically will check you in, make sure all insurance is verified. You have any questions that we can answer as soon as you come in. We'll have you wait for us, not too long, but wait for us in the waiting area. You can play some games. Parents can help themselves to a refreshment while they're waiting. And then we call you back. Our clinical assistants will take any questions or concerns that you have for myself down. Typically, we'll do x-rays, we'll do a cleaning for you before I'll come over and take a comprehensive look at your little one's teeth. We'll review the radiographs together and come up with a treatment plan that we're both comfortable with. Building a relationship with the families long-term is something that really means a lot to me. We'll find that we'll have a parent maybe bring one sibling for something specific, and then the next time they come back, the whole family comes and we get to meet the brothers and the sisters, and that's really rewarding for me. One, to have the trust of the parent, but also to make your child comfortable enough to be excited to come back and see us. And we've been able to do that even in our short time being here. It's been awesome to really just establish ourselves and have a footprint within the community. If you're a parent and you're watching this and you're on the fence, I would say please bring your child in for the Suite Life experience. We truly do our best to make your child comfortable, to make sure from the minute they walk in the door, they know that they have our trust. Our goal is to always keep not only them smiling, but you smiling, and we're happy to have your care going forward. So the best next step to come in and see us would be either to book online via our website at suitetoothpediatrics.com, where you can actually pick a date and time to come in and see us, or you can give us a call at 540-426-0779.